man Masenda.
Okay, jërëjëf.
Okay.
All right. Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good.
And your name, please?
Amin.
Amin is your name or you are Kasim?
Yeah, it's the same name.
Okay. Yes. Do you know why I'm calling you today?
Nah.
Okay. Do you know one Aissatou in Dubai? This Aissatou, this Gambian lady you took to the police the other time, I believe.
Yeah.
Yes, I called about her case. You know, she reported this matter on this platform here, the Voice of Fanta, where we normally do programs on people who scam others. So to raise awareness and to help people know who this person is, we normally host a program on the platform and discuss about it. And some of the victims will come and talk. And we normally do it like this after we can send all informations to the authorities in the Gambia, because we had that he's currently in the Gambia.
Okay.
Yes, so this is why I'm calling to know what you encountered with Usman and who is Usman, how you met him, what was your dealings with him, and why was it so that you took this Aissatou, who was, according to what he explained here, innocent about all this issue, what transpired between you and Usman.
Okay. The problem is 2024.
Mm-hmm.
I met Osman.
Can you speak a little bit up, please? Because we're on a live program. I don't know whether you want to join.
I said 2024.
Yes.
I met Osman and he told me that he had direct employment for a chocolate company.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Yes.
And I got 20 people from my country.
Which country is that?
Ghana.
Okay.
And all the total amount is 43,000 grams.
Yes, you said you met him and he told you that he's having a chocolate company.
Yes. They need people from country.
Yes.
And that time I got Usmani's 20 people from my country.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Sometimes he will come with his wife. They'll come and took money from me.
Salah bin smalam for like a echo bang for Aissatou Lom. Somebody is echoing here so that we can hear you clearly.
No, ngamra Aissatou Lom.
Aissatou, okay.
Batu ngamut.
I don't know. Aissatou, unmute, please. Yeah.
Okay.
You see?
No. There was a lot of noise.
And Usman, he sent this lady ID and other people ID.
Mm-hmm.
And he told me that I should send the money through of these IDs. That's why I use all this ID to make the complaint. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. After Usman took the money, he brought the fake visas.
He brought out fake visas for these 20 people you introduced to him.
Yes. Mm-hmm. After, he brought a fake ticket.
Also with fake tickets. Mm-hmm.
Yes. At that time, I don't even know. I don't even know Usman. He already left to Gambia. You understand?
So how much money did he collect from you guys?
43,000 dirhams.
All together for these 20 people?
Yes.
Okay.
And even I took this case to Gambia Embassy at Abu Dhabi.
So what were you told?
And your embassy told me that Usman came there, mm-hmm. and he told him that he lost his passport, but he want to go back home. And they make some documents for him, and he left. You understand?
Yes. Okay.
And after I took this case to Sharjah police station,
Mm-hmm.
and I reported the case with those ID he sent it to me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Even at that time, I don't have his wife ID. I don't have his wife passport copy. That's why I know his wife. I know this lady.
Which lady?
Sometimes
You mean
this lady?
this one, this
Osman
Aisha,
wife.
or the other, the real wife?
No. I don't know Aisha too. Before I don't know her.
Mm-hmm.
I know Usman wife.
Mm-hmm.
The Usman wife. Sometimes he will come to me and took the money.
The wife herself.
After, yes. After she ran.
Okay.
Last time I WhatsApp Usman wife, she blocked me.
Okay. Do you have her number? The number that is her actual number, her current number that is functioning? Because I want to call her now.
Yes.
Yes. Can you forward that number to me, please?
Okay.
Yeah. As we are talking, you can forward the number to me.
Okay.
All right. So she came. How many times did she come to collect monies from you on behalf of his husband or her husband?
You know, sometimes they are coming together.
Mm-hmm.
At that time, I'm working at accommodation. Sometimes Usman and his wife, they will come together and collect the money from me. Sometimes Usman, she'll send his wife. She'll come to me and collect the money.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
But you must have been able to identify the wife. You know, I'm wondering why you took Aisha to the police, because when you see Aissa's ID, you would know definitely this is not the wife who usually comes to collect the money.
The problem is, Usman told me that this Aisha too is her sister.
Also, okay, the sister. That is what.
Yeah, that's why. Yes.
Okay, but Aisha said you said Usman said she's the wife. You know.
No. Okay. Usman told me this ID is her sister ID, so I should send the money through of this ID.
Okay, good. So yes, so you tried to contact the wife, but she blocked you on the phone. Yeah.
Yeah, before.
But now?
No, now I didn't chat her.
Okay, so when you went to the Gambian embassy, did they give you any document or anything about you reporting this issue to them, or they just spoke with you verbally without any?
No, it's my embassy give me letter to go and give the Gambia embassy.
Okay, and did they reply with a letter?
Yeah, the embassy told me that he will make a follow-up. You understand?
Yes, but did they reply with any form of letter or any formal thing they give to you? To give back to your embassy?
No.
Okay, have you tried to report Usman through Interpol? You have Interpol in Dubai there?
No, I don't have Interpol here.
Okay, I don't know what Dubai and the Interpol sort of.
Interpol is all over. If you go to the police station, maybe you have to raise that out.
Yes, you have to raise that issue.
Yeah.
Because before my embassy told me that if not possible, they will send Interpol.
Yes, let them do that, because it is not going to be possible, because you know Usman will not come freely back to Dubai because he already knows what he have done. And the wife is still there. And the wife, you have proofs and evidence with the videos and photos you took when the wife came to collect the money.
Yes.
Yes, so I think if you really need to get your money, because you have to take real good action. against this man?
Ngamra among solution also to sign. You are dealing with somebody you don't know exactly where the person come from and he is helpless. I think what you have to do is, can you please give Fanta the wife telephone number?
Yes,
So
let me
that
call the wife.
we can try to call the wife first.
Yes.
And you can go back to the Dubai police station and ask them you want to interpol the guy. Maybe they might help you. Hence, you cannot go to the Gambia, to report him to the police station there. Because I know even if you go to the Gambia, you have to spend more money.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or then maybe we can call him later nga assist for mole mumbabul because he man dia mono baki ngalon ko yemon fa wala bebe batata la yinkot yalon fendol bi ka batala ye fonyo.
Okay, Karim Amin.
Kasim.
Kasim Amin.
Yes.
Yeah, can you please send us the wife number so that
Have
we
you
can
send
try
the wife's number?
Yeah.
Okay. That number is on my other phone. Is off, so I want to charge it more.
Okay, plug the phone and charge it. You can send the voice of Fanta, the telephone number, so we can take it from there. Hence, we are having your telephone number. Maybe after the program, if we have time, we will call you, or tomorrow for sure. Yeah.
Yes.
So that we can see what we can do. But this lady called Aissatou is, I think Aissatou also is a victim of this Usman, Yeah, Aissatou is a victim, and many other Gambians, not only the Ghanaians are Usman victims. We have a lot of Gambians that are complaining about this boy,
Okay, then Kasim.
You can ask you can ask Aissatou, maybe she have Usman wife number.
I think Aissatou said she don't have the number, so I don't know.
Her with the number.
Okay.
Yeah, and Kasim, I think you are having the evidence of this lady, because we saw some pictures that you took the picture of.
Time I'll forward it. I said maybe 10 minutes time I'll forward it to you.
Okay, but why don't you
forward it to me?
But why don't you report Usman's wife to the Dubai police? Because she was the one also collecting money from you.
Yeah, I reported Usman's wife. But here, if you want to report the case, you're supposed to have the person ID or passport copy.
Put the location so that they can know where she's living.
But you don't know her name. Okay, maybe if we get the number and we post the picture, people will know who she is.
No, I have her here. She's here. Let me post.
Yes, I have the pictures also, but I don't know who is she.
Yeah, this is the one. This is the wife.
So this is the picture you took, Kasim Hauma.
Okay, Kasim, you can send the number when you charge your phone. I will ask Aissatou if she's having it, then she can forward it to me also.
Okay.
Yeah, all right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Bye.
Yeah, we will get in touch. Barialon says, Nying Usman fango, for Usman lom inala muso ali fonyonal kemal be bandiala be tapale yala al kata al ni kabula kukiling. Ni al muta, al tolle bita, al tolle ka problem on soto, sako ni keta ululati, inyantale hakilo tubake. Usman fela bala Gambia ite bela Dubai je. Ni bulo late la yete sorong. Ano ni me hakilo tufang nying kodo Usman ka mimbe tanu mol bulo kono imam fendomo je. Because ika woleke alka kala detail sol di molla ntabal advice la wala because Gambia no man that should respect ni la detail sol di la ika jela hani internet auto fang address o ika ata ika molla address o post ika molla passport o post.
Wow, nyin fenkele call ke si sorry Ibrahima Tony mu yalon ko Teresia wala fo janko Ibrahima ak sen bir leerul mu ne mu ngi déglu dafa bëgg join way connection am bi dafa po mota mu yone ma message WhatsApp mu ne légui na ko call dafa bëgg wax leeral ay affaire mo ka Ibrahima bi ni fogna mu ne mom moy jëkëri Aissatou. Wow.
Okay.
So fogna ne Teresia na so fi nekké won depuis beginning bi di nga xam ki tamen lan la def Aissatou te Aissatou fogna ki mu ne mom moy jëkëri Aissatou.
Waaw moya tamen mu ne victime la mu ne I'm also his victim to pick naa la send naa la request.
dafa mel ni mu ne fi mu nekk connection am bi moo baaxul daal waaye lii la yónnee mun naa play loolu ñu déglu ko ñun ñëpp tamit.
Suma sister Fanta waaw man la Ibrahima jëkkër yaay Aïssatou waaw maa ngi bëgg a dugg si live bi pour wax waaye su network bi fii nii mu ngi over te maa ngi nii joobukaay si suuf laa nekk waaye su ma duggee suma room moom network bi foofu noonu daf dee correct dama dee mën a wax bu baax a baax sax bëgg naa wax trop si live bi parce que maa ngi dégg kii Thérèse mu ngi wax di wax ne waaw Ousmane ak Ibrahima waaw seen affaire leerut so man dama bëgg a wax bu baax ma bëgg a wax ak yoon wax àdduna si ñu xam man may kan ñu xam man ban façon nit la man duma tapale te jàngu ma ko.
waa Thérèse égal
so moo tax ma bëgg a wax bu baax.
Thérèse foog nga egg si
dama naxari trop sax nu ma mënta duggee ba léegi maa ngay try and I will keep on trying.
xaw ma sa name bi tamit dang ñoo wax sa name bi suma brother su fekkee ne yaa ngi déglu Ibrahima dang ñoo wax sa TikTok name bi suñ ko munee gis tamit ñu égal la Thérèse tamit mun ngaa egg si nga waxaat waa gis naa sa request bi Thérèse waa because kii jabari man sax kii laa bëgg a nombaam bi yónnee na ma nomba jabari
Fanta waaw kooku mooy Ibrahima
waa Ibrahima xam nga moom jabaram moo fi njëkkoon a wax xaw ma na seetaan nga programme bi ba moo door
déedéet seetaanuma bu moo door
jabaram moo nekk ki nga xam ne dañ ko tëjoon prison foofu noonu because of kii naka la tudda Ousmane bii parce que Ousmane dafa jël xaalis si loxoom sax ne ko ne dama laa dimbale pour utal la liggéey so kooku ñu fay ko 500 dirham
dégg naa problème
waaw mu ñëw jël identification yi kooku yi comme passeport am beeg ID am bi ne ko yónnee ma pour suma laa utal liggéey daal su ñoo defar job contract bi lii ak lii kooku yow yónnee ko loolu so moom Ousmane ñim doon scam biir Dubai foofu dafa jël ID jabari Ibrahima bi yónnee leen ko ne kooku système la wala jabaram la fekk mu doon jël xaalis si ñeneen te mbokki Aïssatou yi sax nii jël na foofu tamit ñaari nit Aïssatou expliqué na loolu yëpp jël na foofu noonu ñooñu tamit seen xaalis waaw so loolu moo tax waaw Ibrahima xam naa loolu la bëgg a leeral ne moom si boppam victime la moom ak jabaram parce que
waaw soo gisee doguma la Fanta soo gisee ma ne Ibrahima affaire am leerul man bu balaa maay dugga si procédure bi dama wax Ibrahima lii affaire bu leer la mi ne ma waaw ma laaj ko ñaata yoon mi ne ma waaw loolu moo tax ma ne Ibrahima affaire am leerul parce que Ibrahima laa seen xaalis bi man seenuma xaalis bi kii naka la tuddaati Ousmane Touré
dëgg la
waaw kon nag man nag su may wax dinaa wax Ousmane kii Ibrahima affaire am leerut parce que man moom laa jox xaalis bi te moo ma dugal si affaire yi yooni tukki bi
moo tax nit yi dañ war a bàyyi di wax ne always ne
man dama ko lekk soo gisee suma oncle sa boole ma ak moom ngir Ibrahima ñoo bokk a koñ moo tax
dëgg la
moo tax
so moo tax dafa am solo pour nit yi buñ dee wax ne nit ki de yoon bi leer na parce que yow xamaanguloo ko buñ dee garanti nit sax blind di just like that
ma la mënoon seen lii bi message yu conversation yu ma commencé waxtaan ak Ibrahima yëpp di nga understand laas xaalis bi bu mu ko fayee man ñii 2 years ñu ngi amee suma xaalis 2 good years mi ngi amee suma man affaire social media moo ma neexut waaye ni ko doon man problème Ibrahima bi ni ko doon lii naa ko bu yaaga waxee naa ko bu yaaga
dëgg la
Ibrahima daal soo gisee ma wax loolu non moom mu xam naa mu maa déglu wala mbokkaam yi ñu maa déglu soo gisee ma wax ne affaire Ibrahima reerut moom laa jox xaalis bi te laas xaalis bi bu mu koo fay wax naa ko loolu ma ne ko next time soo dugga si business xamal business bi nu mu demee parce que yow doo si mun a rëcca parce que yow man tey Ibrahima su taxawee Ousmane taxaw man Ibrahima laay point finger parce que moom laa rek gën a communiquer tal
dëgg la loolu la waaye mbir yi noonu la toolo Ibrahima xam naa ne moom mu ngi déglu moom tamit dina war a mun a jàngee si lii pour ëllëg ak si biir su nit ñëwee si moom ne ko ne nii wala nii dama dee dimbale nit si yoon ak lii bu mu garantir kenn bi mu teg loxoom si safara si kenn di wax ne kii mun na lii
te Ibrahima sax soo gisee sax Ibrahima moo gën a tax sax Ousmane Recca suma oncle demoon na foofu noonu ba call Ibrahima mi ne ko ne bàyyil ma yóbbu kii police mi ne ko ne déedéet kii soo ko yóbbee police man nga indi problème bàyyi ni ko roon Ibrahima kii Ousmane téye nañ ko foofu noonu Dubai parce que suma oncle dafa wax ne daf ko dem report police Ibrahima moo ko wax noonu non bàyyi lii kaam suma oncle ba suma oncle bàyyi waaye ni ko roon Ibrahima téye nañ ko foofu biti foofu parce que suma oncle pare na pour dem report ko Ibrahima xam na bu baax lu maa wax
waaw dëgg la Ibrahima nag moom mënut a éeg maa ngi ko jéem a call waaye xaaral ma ceegaat na dinaa ko mun a am
moom xam na bu baax lu maa wax moom Ibrahima
waaw xam nga Gambien bi dañ miin le di garantil nit di teg seen loxo si safara si nit ki nga xamante ni
waaw
wala leer
su nangoo fekk ne nangu woon na time bu suma oncle di ko wane xaaral ma mu dem report ni ko roon Ousmane téye nañ ko foofu waaye moom moo nangu loolu moo tax ma ne kon day something fishy
Kasim, please send me the wife's number. I just need the wife's number now because that is more important than these pictures. I have seen all these pictures you're sending me. Yeah. Lola, Ibrahim na munuñ ko am jabar bi lañ bëgg call fi mu nekk nii waaye mënuma xam naka la amee jabar bi number bi xaaral ma call Aïssatou ndax Aïssatou mu ngi amee number jabar bi kooku yónneel ma ko lii moom loolu la because def na la ko yow Ibrahima moo tax moo la garanti moom moo tax yow nga dugal ci sa xaalis waaye at the end of the day xoolal lu mu def Ibrahima ak jabaram dugal leen ci problème bu métti ba nga xam ne jabar bi dañ ko waroon a deport si li nga xam ne you know according to ñoom Aïssatou ha mbala li fenke la nomba nyinki nyena Ousmane la muso nyi mumbe Dubai je Fatmata connection on buka ba fan Dubai atul fanam fa la connection on buka beti ya banko ko mun la harma tal suma VPN xawma VPN la xawm ñina muso la nomba ki nyena Ibrahim fenke Ousmane la muso la nomba ki nyena Fatmata mumbi je lafta wo nombal please mbala yo natul tata fela be jolo ñing Kasim fanam de do Poland yónnee na ma nomba bi léegi xaaral ma seet ma dugg nomba jabari is kii bi moment no nomba bi maa ngi ko copy pour ma paste ko fii mu bañ di aha kii ñii ak kii ñenaan ne bu safe bi ba pare aha ñi ne bet ya ngoog batu nga ko maano faɓe programme uji be kanne ba fafanam bafulam batu na VPN mala ba amantara line auto di she's offline dugan yeah alaman asato ma call la fa ci gade su ñëwee nga fay sa mic bi please yow kii nakal tudda Thérèse
okay.
Allo Fatuma abe ñaadi kotanade yo ngalo ne man long te to mu fantaleti mbe call Hello connection Hello
Assalamu alaikum.
Maaleykum salam Fatma
Naam.
Nko ndo mu fantaleti fanta mbe kumandika na platform oto nyi yala
Platform jama.
The Voice of Fanta
Okay.
aha mbe kumandika ke manyi na kuola Ousmane Touré
Okay.
aha ko ay ko dol leta mol bulu Dubai ye anin Gambia kabe ma ko la leta masilola ha nganong ila sinyo fana mu yalon kabi je mu yalon ko wolon Aisatu tinu.
Okay.
Ha afanan nata kana tara mutar bulo to bayo Usman yala kaitol talenu ka fay ko aba mako la doku wala wo kaito nyinga nata kana modol leska mul yalon ko wolmu Ganianol leti wol nata kana 40,000 di nu ikemal.
Okay.
So I wole ki wole ko wo matela musolti nganu kodo nyin kata kamba ite Fatmata initel tata nyola ikema katale anite ikema ke sambale nyola ni kata kodo ta nyin Ganianol ya wati dol bije dam ma kanale wati dol bije ni Ibra ini Usman fam katale pour kata kodo ta nyel bul. Oh God.
Hello, Fanta.
Aha. Ha, kodo nying mu yalon kay wole ta nying Ganianol bulu.
Okay. So, Ganianol bulu jamale ya ko kontele tata kata ko do fama Ganianol bulu kono jamale ya ko.
Kasim le ya fo mole ngano ngana talo soto la ni video mu yalon koy fango be sirin jebe kodo di kay la kay mo mun na ye video le natal le tema kalamta.
Jamale ya ko
Mato nga ki ye fango ya jibe.
Hello, Fanta.
Aha, an lafta ke telephone itandi fango la ten foi tele manke nyinti nying.
Non te mantara je kan just ndebe dare kolle je kan pat ntenga.
Aha, mbatunka nka wole ki ye nam puria jibe.
Okay, Fanta ila mo yali be correction ni kan andu hada mati ngolo miti immu musoleti inte Fatima musoleti. Okay.
To nyalo. Aha, nga ki ye nan nga natalo ki ye nan ne sa jibe.
Okay.
Aha, ile connection o man betiale, di ile connection o betiande o be betiale.
Fakanne bang.
Aha, kanale.
Nko. Nte manta kodo kama mo bulo kono. Jamale kon tata kodo kamala ay internatal Aisa. Tonya Aisa min ketan.
Aisa man wo fo de. Aisa man wo fo. Maybe connection ole man tara betiaring e man tara kam moy bari Aisa ma fo. Muya fo wolon Kasimti. Kasim, ike mai kodo tamul bulu. Kasim.
Kimalon Kasimti. Ndem nene man Kasim fangolon nene man Kasim.
Yalo munom Fatu. Kabring itata kata kodo kamba ini kema. Ya dandang ye kodo dilela.
No, ninke ma nande ne man ta kodo kamba.
Yo bari nga natalo munki ye fo ite. Halin lafta ka fo ele bela moy la nga nyomoy doman.
Aisa nana talo be Aisa le bulo kono. Andu wo Aisa ate kabiri nga kodo di Usman ante nga jela ni Usman be friendship ba ka tangola. Malo mine keda. Ngoyam. Ibe diala ibe kulolle ibe kuwala ko Aisa mine be keri.
Mbato.
Anata kumo do man dingo fanya kay ko fo yela kodo dundi Usman yale ba.
Aisa ye wo be fo jadne Aisa man problem nati tayde. Aisa man fem fo jang. Bari nga natalo mun kiye ya jibe la bang sainte ngana Aisa fana ila moy nying giru ma lo wantu les hani de because ni mela moy itaka Aisa le accuse nganu Aisa meta accuse jam fenna Aisa fana
Aisa mante accuse but nitala natalo be Aisa la bulokon
mbatu moment lafta wala don dila jam
nko anene man sota dunia balu kono purunte Fatima Touré ngata kodo kama Gania no bloko no wo asimi kamin ko asimi ni ka fa yentelo ne bang o fande ne tetele ba
mbatu Kasim kanale sai line of mbatu
anene man sota
mbatu hello Kasim hello Kasim Fatou ibela moylale Kasim fele 99 ibela moylale Kasim the wife is here on the phone. She is denying that she never came to collect monies from you guys.
She is telling lies.
That is what she is saying here.
Wait, ask her before she came with Usman with one Pakistan driver.
Yes.
In my accommodation.
She's
came
here
and
on
took
the
the
line
money.
listening to
And
you.
you see, yeah, and you see, you
That's
can
not
send her
true.
this.
Not me. Not me.
You are a liar.
Not me.
You are a liar.
I don't know which
God
woman,
will
not
punish you.
me.
Wait,
That's lying.
wait.
Wallahi,
You see?
when I come here,
Yeah.
accommodation I sit there. When I come here, accommodation I
You
sit
don't know a lie. You don't know a lie. Stop this. See,
Nala mic
you
sorone,
can
so
send
you
her
can
this.
go ahead. Yes, you can go ahead, Kasim.
She's the one who hold that money.
Yes.
Ask her.
I sent
She
her
came
that
and
picture
meet me
and she's denying that. She's telling me it's Aisatu who have that picture. But I was trying to tell her Aisatu got the picture from you guys, but she
She
was
is a
not
liar.
listening.
Hey, tell her she met me at Bania Square.
She's on the line
Usman
listening to
sent her.
everything you are saying. Because I mute her mic. She's
Yeah.
not giving you a chance to talk.
Yeah. She met me at Bania Square and took this money. Even this money, it was 3,500 dirhams.
Yeah.
Because that time she's a lady and I don't want to snap her face. And I just snap this. I just snap it like this. See, even Usman always he said, "I swear with my bomb mom, I swear with Kaaba, this and this." Usman and his wife, they are scammers. You understand?
Yeah.
Always they said, "I swear with Kaaba, I swear with this," and they are telling lies.
Yes, connect musundi ngotoba.
Yeah.
See,
Na telephone number connect it.
are moving together. They have one Pakistan driver. You see that video I sent it to you? Is that Pakistan driver? Even this lady, you know this driver. They are coming together. They are coming to take money from me. At that time, I was living in accommodation. Sometimes they are coming there.
Yes.
You understand? Sometimes this man, she can send his wife. She will come and take the money from me.
What is the name of the wife?
Fatma.
Yeah, it's Fatima. I know her. I know this lady.
Is she a Gambian or?
Yeah, she's a Gambia lady.
Okay.
Ala mic be soro dine fase time out again na
Fatma, ubil mic bi nga waxaat nit ñi.
No, man maa ko tëj, you know. Léegi foog mu ibil boppam wala mu wàcca mu égal.
Gis nga yaa ngi waxaat nit ñi nga dinaay mun ngaa daw waaye mënuloo escape suñ plateforme bi. Yaa ngi dégg. Xam nga lan moo gën a metti si yéen. Ngeen jël alali nit ñi tapale ko bi nga ko def yaa sa jëkkër ngi neexoon. Te yow jigéen nga. Ñii ay doomi jàmbur lañ. Ngay dem dugal sa morom jigéen. You know, just give me time. Nga dem dugal sa morom jigéen si problème. Nga toog Dubai boobu noonu foog nga ne yaa ngi si jaama loolu nga foog nekkuloo si jaama xam nga man lu ma dee gën a métti si nit sax yow nga def sa boppa loo xam ne amuloo ko gis nga suñ ñëwee génn suñ dëkk ñu ñëw tukki si fii dundal life bi nga mun soo tëddee nga nelaw xamoon nga ne kat sa jëkkër wayu la tapale la xamoon nga loolu ubbil sa mic bi nga waxaa nit ñi mun ngaa daw waaye mënuloo escape sa real nataal soo dof loo danañ ko am because media bi nit ñi xam nañ la yéen xaalis bi ngeen jël yëpp yaa sa jëkkër fan ngeen ko def yéen du ñagi rek ngeen toroxal de yéen a ngi toroxal ñaata doomi Adama over 40 people ngay toog fii di tàllaame jaay nit ñi ne yaa ñu gën a mun a wax yow doo nangu nga jël sa responsibility bi ngay dinaay yow sa nataal bii nii yaa ngi mel ni xawma lu ma bañ a tudda ubbil sa mic bi nga waxaat nit ñi nga bañ a disturb nit ñi fii nii waaye bu leen ñu fata tax ngeen sax ba Gambian si amuñ benn respect Dubai.
Waaw mu ngi nii léegi mun naa wax mu ngi nii léegi
sister iben important thing iben ke tumi kanne
momantre tumi kan jang ibin yin tatale ay kodo dilale ay say jama la na talibije momanta Ghanaian sala jamon de reality le fokan Ghanaiano nyin Gambiano le aduni nyin isokon ya understand everywhere
Mutela moy mola fa
amu ya understand fo be da sorona ni man te da sorona mo liye mu janga diamu ye man ta ki wokela because mineketa nko mo man tara ganian o fasa kan jang ye wandi yenna Gambia dingole dundi prison tay munati na keke ki ikata kodota munati na ita keke
Fatu ifana ike bayata le dukare. Huh? Ite mo ye video je ngana talo je be kodo kole kandam.
Sai wo
Abuke la moy. Ni wuro wota bondile kam foi se la moy molla la connection ota.
you know
She is denying everything. Mo man Ghanaian support jang.
ye Gambia dingole fango dundi problem o kono ntol man nyin long bari man te fasala wuli akan you know oh mo man te fasala wuli akan jang sai jamale tata kodo kamaji
be bota Gambia ngafo ay say nen kay ko Usman na boss ka fulo ka kayto findini mo le pour yena la compagnie
Aissatou yewo fo mo yele. Aissatou yewo fole. Aissatou yewo fo jani.
ka say mina ne mo wafo
Nga he sai muna na mawo ite man tara kela moy inte bawo fo kayela nun kabringi man tara kela moy ite ya mira fo Aissatou lay nyin nati jam ite man tara kela moy Ngo ntol man tara Aissatou fo ngola kula jang ko teke ntol be Ghanaian la kula Ghanaian mu yalon ko itata je ka kodo tabul
no inte be diam la because of yen kala
ngo fo da ke so soron ne ye mo la moy ibe diam la mo ma fo kan na diam woto sai ite kebe wota pale ya bela ya na ko ke mutapale ti kodi yago ntol mantra Ghanaian o fasa kan ni nyim problem o samana ntol ya Gambia sai adia kan tolle ngo sai adia kan tolle
Ghanaian o koy ina benta dulal muntai wala fo ko do tabulu alna la Pakistan drive
imu bandioleti ini kebe ne woman diye mol da hande ka ala bondi la nonsense o kono imang ala do molti ali fanyo ka mol tapale ya ye Gambia dingol le dundi problem o kono 2 years Aissatou be problem o kono Aissatou la problem o le nyin sambana tol man tra Ghanaian fa sa kan ja fo ye dale soron ye la moy mola anda dia tan tol le fanka fa sa because al mutapale le ti albe fonyo la ka wandi fengota ali fonyo ka wandi fengota ali live decent life
bari Salabins matumbang Fatou Fatma oh god ni muso buke la moy mola mo buka feng explain I know I understand hani mbatung Fatou yes Kasim Nia mute ibuka on mute no afongol aka time tal yes Salabins wait Kasim can you just hold on Salabins ila moy bang Fatou ila moy bang Fatou ila moy molye diamo Fatou Fatma tabuke la moy yo what ila moy yes can you go ahead Kasim talk yes
inene man nyim fengol dum bari nyaada nyi jamale nyaada lom fo wulundi way wala na dal tenting fo hadama di ngola
itala wulu keso de bay ta tiri nyimi
alin te ka min fo ite ko wona talo manke teti sante ka da min fo jamal la na talo mu woti ka to bi ite nyinti tala drong ay mono tal wonyama aka kodo di mina ka wala natal ntol man tara nyin Ghanaian o fasa kan ite Gambia dingole be Dubai 2 years amala do ko keno 2 years amala doko keno because
No, this lady is not giving chance to anybody to explain to her so that she can understand exactly why we are calling her. You know, amantara kela moy. So because ini mole fananka diya mo mungi lafta kela moy.
alala ite kema motanani yela ko duno di alala
Sala bin simatun Kasim lafta diya mula. Kasim lafta diya mula.
Hello Kasim, you can talk.
This lady, she's a thief.
Because of
Aisa tu ngani bela moy la le mole diya mo de. What else Aisa tu bulai diya mo na pa mole diya.
Dubai jang Aisa evidence jama tandia to la ko ya dundi
Ate moya be Aisa mate accuse fenda de. Ate ka Aisa accuse. Yeah.
Ite iman tare moy ka ite iman kende ya Dubai
Ite ka damin fondol fo man je fo kam. Ntol we are not talking about Aisa.
woman ke problem ot
foye da soro nagiela mu
Fatou, foi se la moyle molia explainer. Ite be damen mun nan anin tol be damen na manke kilenti. Kasim Nyinko ini ke mata. Yeah, you can go ahead.
I said to.
Yeah, just go ahead. We are listening.
You know Apia. You know a Ghanaian guy they are calling Apia. You know him?
Afia, yeah.
Shaja. Yes. Yeah. You are telling me that you don't know me.
you are talking to me Aisa me I'm not Iman you hanin to ama wala ani Aisa kata Usman ni Aisa kata
Speak English.
You know me?
Yes, I know you.
Me, I've never come to you to take your money. Never ever.
You are a liar. You are a thief.
I never come for anyone. For Usman sent me to take money for anyone. Never. Never in my life.
Okay, give him chance to talk now.
I'm my working place. That's not true. If Usman sent someone for you, he tell you this is my wife is lying. You understand me?
Okay, let him also speak.
That's not true. Not Fatma. My name is not Aisa. You never know me.
Niman understand. Woman is just...
yalo nyeno ite yalo na nyinta pale nini benyola hani duba ikanyineke so eka ebuka sonka chance di molla molye diamta yalo Aisa tu for a penke
yeah, okay, let Kasim talk now. Mbatu ngala mic soron. Kasim diam.
She's a big scammer, this lady.
Okay, Aisa tumbe join la jal line auto. Ngamre lafta walla Aisa tu.
Hello, kamwele kodi.
Ha.
Okay, yalo Fatmata. Fatmata coming for commentama any proof bondi. The last day from Kasim can I speak English so that Kasim will understand?
Yes, speak English, yeah.
Okay, the last day he went to court to withdraw this case, the documents, all the documents and everything that he paid some money. He snapped everything and sent everything to me. I should be in jail. That is what the court has decided. Fatmata never knew about that. Fatmata nene mo kalamuta ko nyinko la atina fong nteta police. Fe nyanta kansorom Fatmata nene ma kalamuta.
Nene
man kodi di Fatmata la andu man na platform oto janko nga kodo di Fatmata la. Nene man soto. Andum hani lakiranta Fatmata kanina hani bututo. Na manke nyin Ghanaian no Fatmata natal abe kodo konti kan. Fanta, can you post that one? Let everybody see. Let Fatmata see herself. Kabira abe kodo konti kan. Jilbabu babala. Post that, let everybody see, let herself see it, so that abalo nako lumina tataka kodo kamanyin. This guy he took a picture of her without her notice. If not that picture, ntebe lala nunjelle. If not that picture, mbitalele bitanta soronal for no reason, so nothing, something I don't know nothing about. If not my marriage certificate and Ninkemala ID, they would have locked me in jail because of this issue. Because they would have locked me in jail because of this issue. Because so ni Fatmata kasi I can't blame. I've nothing against Fatmata. Nta man kodi di Fatmata la, and I will not mention her name. And then man naka kodi tante bulo kono never. So hani lakira lente ten na kodo kanina Fatmata bulu. Hello.
No suo la connection ole tata ko malo munakita.
Let Fatmata understand that ko Natalo nyin kambano ye ming seninte is very clear that I can see her. And I want you to post you send the picture to her, let her see it.
I have sent this picture to her for but
Natalo, that picture is her, and there are several pictures. Me alena kamanka damati.
Akina wolki nambang ako akate ma ako Natalo betele bulunka ko hania ye Natalo natete ya because if
one Natalo Kasimle send nante. I never have those pictures. Kasimle Natalo yun send nanye. Because nene malonko Fatmata nene Kasim from Mitla. I don't know. Nene malonko Usmane Kasim Lonne. I don't know. Malong. Now man can Nataloti with number communication. I will never know. Nte malong ka nene kata banias le fonganing ay takodo kama wala Usman ka kile. Han Pakistan drive when you I put it fanta. Let people see it.
But on nanging telephone kamu use nanging karap dolla wala internet or wala
because Pakistan drive on aya picture la I Usman from a snap le I Fatmata from a snap aka kodo transfer me ya janko nyim from I janko from a new snap
a baby mbulo kono la jang, you know.
So Hasim have all the pictures. He has all the pictures because I was like I never met anyone to collect money from anyone, never in my life. So how comes? So immediately he shared the picture. I come to notice that, oh, this is not me. This is Fatmata. And she can't deny that picture. It's not her. She can't.
Ako atente atene manyin kasi meet anene mankodota. But muna bekere.
She was thinking maybe you can tell her came and report. I've never report because I'm a victim of his husband. I came I call me baker. I'm a victim of it. Never. Ngandele, I plan to pay them. If not, Hasimi in case report different from me. Fatmata ya fonyela, but it was late atarante kodo di Usmanna. Dubai jam jamala betara stay in Dubai jam. Jamala betara stay. Usman was not working, the wife was not working. How were they coping? Jamala betara and ibe bunga min kono is expensive. Ni afalin Gambia kodola is expensive. How is Usman managing to pay that? He was not working. Nina mala do kwoti?
Yeah.
Because akadoku min fukab akadoku min ke company min to later it was all fake.
So momo be janji be kan yenyi muso long yala address long abe diamond tol sulata wala pour nga di Dubai police wala because nima ke masoto at she's the one inyanta mu hold responsible. You know, mbala Natalo ke la jela so makani ni karo. But in the telephone do internet man taraji. You know problem not it.
Let's put the picture because I Fatmata ya miracle. I am miracle ntele ya ten Natal and I've not ntama kala mutabira kata I kodo kambano nyin if not aman Natalo nyinke kabira ba kodo dentalon na. I don't know. So kambano nyinko ya tarada mi manje from long I don't know. Birabe Natalo kala ya tada mi malong. Yeah, yes, right now he's sending those pictures. He's sending those pictures.
About so can from a banner internet all like that.
So you can send it to me.
Fatmata ya long ko. Mala Natali ki mala Natali sen moye andu mala Natali kambano
so yalo muneketa kana bori any responsibility la because yes scam me. Hanya try tell ya send. Take your own responsibility. At the end of the day, kana sila kula je because imu victim leti. I want the kodo letter. Abe too malkan, you know.
Stop it, yeah.
Nyeng anene te compromise la anyang nyada mi multicolors nyada tenga nyeng hesal nyada mi yalon ko ada be fele finding a fenkot. So anene te compromise la. Alka ka la kodo di molla. Because nyuni ka alone kel mutapale leti. You know, it only ke fanke musunya yele ringolti minu kana ye wandi kewol nyonto ye butu wo ye wol dundi problem okono. Ite kewola musu keba jela nyim problem sifa kono. Ita tela ita jela je. It only kana sifa le kana.
Exactly.
You know.
I thank him molla, let people know, let Fatmata see ko nying picture was not taken
Malo
by
mi
me.
duko
It was
Coca-Cola.
taken
Ite
by
malo mi
Hazel.
duko Coca and Fanta multicolors. Iko ika molle hasja.
Fatimata tai tandi ala Fanta. Let her see it. Let her see it. Janda, because I am miracle ntele anatal. Because that's the complaint she's making.
Abulo nyinga be kodo nyin konteka. Jam.
Abakodo nyin kantika.
Ala hesal bulolom nyinti de. Akete ndo mandi ajiba e fenke ko momi be furiyala ajiba e nyinti ko kalo siti nyamimba.
Mbatu wala ndunta janna internet ko dale. What is the problem?
Tapalol la muiti in Dubai here. Fatma na kema Usman tapale
ya jele fode yara fan say nga understand nata Dubai mbe fintika na la police ol dunta nyola jel because mbe fintika ne yenna passport jibe malom bang fo mole kuriya ke ya jibe fo na flight laftam bulala ko you know what alintela passport di na mante nata holiday lan kase
Exactly.
ajibe akante wo post je ba nyindo post je
na edit la yalo.
Ala komo backside obe fintindi e butu yekete ndo mandimbang gali aje pour yek waya yo
aga ke bani Aissatou ko dia molama aga dia mi kam do fende Aissatou
aka fuko hande ninke mani Aissatou kata dula beto ite inyo wulu bangu
ko dia molke
Gambia musole be so
tara Dubai le nte tara Dubai le nte manyulu lombirin nungi tara Dubai janne.
Is this not her counting the money?
What are you doing?
Ajibe. Ya wandi ko dol muta
internet man so jang ima jabe round na pour nga connect jang ni kon lafta ka transfer na jang because ma transfer na ni telephone to.
Ali fonyo ka wandi fengol ta na lafta ali la ali sinono ali fonyo ka mo la fengol ta isoto bulo danta daming al danje yeta Dubai yeta ko ka luxury house leta pour ya décorer danko doron kanata lolke ali fonyo wala itata khosulinela live ko momin tata khosulina fo janni be setul la down albe wandi ko dol talal ko molte diam la albe wandi na flol talal ko molte di altol dom jamat anda nengo be wulerin ko dimba nte bala fata nyi yala afen ko ay defante nole de anengo be wulerin
yalo moni guilty tay buka chance di mol lay diam that she's already guilty, you know. So wala tinandi amang chance di mol la bari kol ni saniata le na internet ol tata wala nante du kasin du bila no ko tay sala bins maybe telo telephone do ta fo
dinno
ite call ni
dinno wala telephone
bal ni
amadu ni wota tala
azo okay
Fatima na be sabatin dame adum be
ala address if you know the address just give it to Fode and Aissatou Aissatou kana sila ya la fengol ta na ko itele ala na talo di fo mun keta nani denta Dubai na ye chikela ichikala ya bute fo siaka
non kada la fin la buka fin
ni nyin dendi ka kilimo tay mun dunja ala wo jilbat nyin abe siri dame afele abulo fele abe ko do nyin konte ka wo ya abulo na talka fenki ka be ko do nyin konte ka
fo ite wonde ibuko
anene man nyimme tani anyi nin ka fo nyimman kenke mata ka fo alganian no fasaji because sama suta mun folan tol man taraga ganian fasa
abuko mo be
the thing is I've come to realize that Usman meta ka nyinke kabirin Gambia and the wife knew about it. And then the thing is, Nayake Molla, she will be the one to go and bail Usman at the station and be paying their money. So it's like she knew about it. And the thing is, even in their house, in their home, they knew about what Usman is doing. Because in the case, open a camera Gambia, na kwenye report le Gambia. But na police ko nyako ko nga police engage mi yale no ka kabri case ko ta ko nyako ka Usman Trace ko nya foi ko do sen mole pour nga fonko nyina to dum nga isan so sang pour ka Usman kataka ajibe because ka soto akole atale suto lo jaman sa de mano nga soto yaje nga $600 so ki na sister yanka ko please a try nye pour ya dinye police karila yaje wolie wefke kabiri ye wefke pour ka police nyi ko do di ala police nyi ko do mutambulo kono bare akonya la ko tata jele bare ma Usman ka borile and ya notice le ko ya mol fango they knew about a scan minke hanni tata je ya nyinin kai ka foi la ko Usman is not around hanna tara di ka
mol tinya
alo Salabin
wow
Ladogo senior nena bari ko bir muso nyimbe diam la nyanta so la ala side of story because alom ni beto nya fo
ni muso man tara ke la moy mol la so mol be la moy la nyadi le na brother muso man chan ate be mune explain ate ben tol
man tara side of the story for ka nyimbe Aissatou le blame kan ate man tara side of the story for kan ako ntolbe Ghanaian ole fasa kan yalo ngana hadama di yala
wewe kana comme kumata da ya muso nyi ala story nyi ada hadale muso nyi moma accuse just ikaita da ko do da safu no ngako do da bari ate malo akima ba ke gamindi o safu defend nol yaji bari ko mata e video so de pour fol so de sa wewe le kabula la wewe pare ni yanyi ngai pare da la sa
nyam pare la ko sa man kana ke la moy
man la fi ke la moy de nyimbe defantel la ate be defantel la faka fo ay tolni ala le tuwa dunta jana boto jana yalon a nyinkol manke ko Karimu Ghanaian olti Karimu Gambian
no ate professional dal ala ndogo al media ala do ko sene dal ala do ko mobile like ate kal dal bala ko da na diam da preda mobe na diam analyze because moma tumi kula e kay da mai da ko dolta han ta da ko dolta so banta
ate sonna jela yalon mu nyem muso
ate kamina fam fo Aissatou le yate blame Aissatou le yate nati jang
Aissatou le blame kam foy ma jabe Aissatou mo tumal kan
be compare Aissatou kamal be compare kamal
because I intending akema mantara Dubai man mo soto je ani mimbe sila dula killing so obviously ate amira Aissatou le yate na ke Dubai bula wo kam fa do ne bala you know Aissatou Martin na ke Dubai bula
malo Dubai ko nya bani na samba police because ayala ngata ni moment jam ko du ko la so ada sada ko da mo receive so pour que mo ni la
ifana asata mfana na asata science so military
kemo sa ifana ya asata ha kemo ibe nyadi
mo tabir watu nyuma même fo kan ni mo ko sonna pour ay chance di yin ndaban kewo nyi londe bari alnat Mariama menna programme samana bebe Dubai wati sotota ay programme ko nyi nacelalde
na Mariama Dubai
Mariama Dubai
okay
yaji ay programme nyi na akela kumo fo bakele
akomu
ko nyi muskamallet
yo
because wati tambita nka follow bakele so fonyin aka men befo ko nyata alafa ko wandi fewmu wandi leti ay feroke because nyi musunde do jibe awdun trouble nyin kono wobe du ay sanji jallu ni alama manta ben danu musunde nyi napp abe nyamen bi atatarlo nyama satno abe jel woto Gambianol alinga bala fa soto nyoy ni ma mo ma ko eno woto affilié because ni aja te nyi nakay to soto akonye nako ni me explain akane ala ID card natal yaki nyanan a nyato nin koma be wewo natal wewo kiyate yarata kaw ka business round business me alon ko business kurula because anu be deal kam munela trustment pour do ko kunya nying because abe bring ana futata Dubai atabe sularin do ko wala so aka mbe ma ko la do ko tela ID card koma nin nyato be natal yeki nyana wewo kiyate yarate wala copy ko tenke ka wala janjandi dunia kono ka wala janjandi dunia kono yemen fo nyi Ghanaian no nyi camera Ghanaian no nyi aslota bakel aslotale camera mo men man ha nyumulun ke dal because
Mo
ala
sumiyari
pol kata
Mo sumiyari
so alafo nyina musoy ko aka men befo mele be dum man be lamoy ngani lonko aka men fo because ama pare pour que lamoy ala start of story ni afa lafta modi o lamoy abayi lamoy la mol mala ni modi ya sat afane na jabiro bar ni mol ko be diam la doro ha nyeni ala bula nyola ndega alata ni alata mo ma fo yey buli saleta baran kole ye lamoy kaje ye mol mele be duma pour be si tata soto je ngaje ko tonya sista nyimbe tonya le kan because broda e men ko na ko tonya la ntata je ngakko do tade nke male nkije ngakko do nke mala yaji abe fisela le mol saje ko okay akema ba use kan ata kema mantra use kan atana kema bele tamu nyin company
Sako dungi mantara do kule mantara fenne tol mo flol be sai be la ko bilol jola nyaadi la Dubai ni ma mol scam.
Na tam company nyin tin scam company nyin ito na tamu.
Nati na fanang aborita. Sai mune e borindi be nun dami saunta. Kadu nyuye lon daming imantara je. Mol nyama titi jam minu be la moiro la jang. 3/4 be mu victim leti. Doli la kesi so le soto. Doli interest le soto nyum programot. So nite amira Gambia dingol ye nyakule ye nyaku minna wolo muko kodo dina nga kaito dade o nga do ku dila ite ni kema be lifri wota pale ya kodo la ali fonyo ka haramo domo nal me fonyo haramo domo nyine atina dingol be keta fufule dingol ti katun tolle ka nyin dingol wulu ntol musol le nyantam fango bondila nonsense kono nyin dunia kono ite kema ba fule na yeta kodo tanye kata kodo tay ka fo Aissatou len kete Aissatou man penne kela jang ali Aissatou na ke tora dunia kono ali e tora ye nyim bata min ke kodo bondi kariko ba wo mu problem wol
ila ko scam company la mu ye company le lo itol ke balu ni
Hello? Ninga foye. This lady, I was so nice to her. Biringa kema tata. Janda ka bojanga be sarja jang. Akonya ko ba Usman fela tata akonya ko ise mako inoila ID le ya kopinye kurunga do ko nyina la because molka mola do ID use janne ka do ko kala na be life I atulo ben I use my own ID ni ala ne ko ngada da nga copy nga di ala pride do ko atulo bala
ite fanan kijo mambo ni ID card copy kuol
yo fanan pride do ko so because me nga ko nyela ko ke mata ta nyami things we are so hard on her I use my own ID nga copy nga di ala pride do
bari yalo ne fana wo mu criminal athlete ni Dubai ye mutay be soronal e wolot
yo fanan ken
malon ko akonya ko mol ka nyola ID use janne ka do ko
bari Aissatou ñunu ka Gambia mo du tenne
mo ka use legal amanke ku
legal ID use le ayna ID use le fo janda ba ID sotola
ha bari memen mbatu yeta da
ko Aissatou yamira ite mambo ñomi bang
wolu bulu
de dale yeleta baram kuma yeleta le
wallahi mambo ñomi bang ibota ñomi le fo
ko we are all Gambians wallahi azim this lady I gave her my own ID malonga ID saying abe dami fam
Aissatou ibota muntole ibota ñomi le
ite malo ko tenke la ID la ko tenke Aissatou
another ID dadala another ID sotole presently nga ID sotole because I fonya la kabe ID dundi kan
ID soto ama ID soto ita malo bilite la ID dinyina
Aissatou mu ñomi ngolti bu ka ñame
na broda kemo na broda o manke komin jang ko ma ke ngane ke no hani rob jam ka ke ñoyele ke ñow fu kay do le da do
ndata kala moy de because ni e wo tampalu ngo minna binela adresse o fenkelal de ande mo tara
bar komin mol ka ke e mol mi long hino ni bal fa
ya ni wo ke ni te jele la de ni e mu
bala fata yele ala ya lo bala fata yele because mi non tara dula ko koliyata bulle
continue bala
koliyata bala fata yele bala
fata man bala faite imagine ta janga akete accuse abete toti nyaka you know
what time mo ya tara kes
animbara
wala keta matumba salabins take control bang kata nga som fale nga mala internet o man som kana jam ke fam nanyo
okay.
Man na ke moderator di ba? Ngay ke moderator di. Salami.
Aissatou,
Alinga moderator di ba?
Raoul isa diamu nole.
Okay, alimbara ngal be konton mama to nal konton ngal be dawo rek ngal konton nay no
Ngejo.
yeah because albert biko munna is very important yalong harma de ngoni ni ko sifa moy kafsinti lay defanang yela idea fu no because yalong we are all the same fonte to be boda gambia be mu clean net fonte
To nyalo.
yeah so but actually nyaji be Dubai at this moment na gambia no be Dubai je mafo mol belende but the majority nyaji be ila do ko munyim fake quality no because nas causing sister do fana bijanne abe gambia hanisa mala ko do banno pour ka soto nyin ke kebulu boy do be mi anko ngalon ne na tat friend ne woti mi anko na bo kafunyo male ay ko do ta na sister bully is coming to 55,000 something akabe bagaso sangale mesol tenganing ay funote akwate ka business okay ka bo Dubai kana Gambia why abe wuliala amantara business okay ka ay ko do tan ndoke bulutu ndoke nyi fanan aka jiwa fole ke ani nyin fruit wa fole te nyin nyote ngani kata nyin tubanyol ti mun ko te aussi falte ala business wole babul so ay ko do ta ndoke bulu aka be business o yellae ni mobile ol te ngani kata nyin mesol te aussi falte ko wole babulu aka ateka bagasol bondi Dubai kanat nan Gambia why abe yala ay ko do ta ndoke bulu so nte bije nsabuno mbijane for 1 year dokina tankol because ajele nga bola ko pichoni like Instagram ako foy ni lonne ba ko nga ni lonne ako ni boy ndat ntila ko do tale sign for 1 year sign nakodo amanson kan jona ko dola ko jumalo ako yin ko nyin fango nyin ako tap nga ni boy nyin call because ala namba bembul nga call kabi nga ko ako foy la cousin ko na cousin ngo bari munata na ikam mulla ko dota mol bulu ikafo ika business ko way mantara business ka bari Gambia mol mumbe Dubai ma fo mol benende but the majority mumbe doki mumbe si Dubai je la doko mantara ni fenna nyama kika mulla ko dota andu mum betia ndonya naka nyo mako bari manya naka nyo ko dot kanyo ko dota nyo bulu boy mumbe ko be Gambia ibe hosuli na Gambia ika ko dota mo amari bulu Gambia je ikafo iba mako la bagasola bagaso so Dubai iba mako la puka bagaso nat nan Gambia muleti ada batu ngo ibe dam imu soto ala batu wala ala imu soto ala tentu wala badi kakala mulla ko tanang ikafu ibe mul mako kan Dubai je mafu mul belende bad Dubai je majority kel mumbe ko ibe je ila doku be molti amam feñ bad nyaatu dum ndabe feñ nale al bajelale majority mumbe je ila doku molti so andu mo nyana kake we are all Gambians nyanda ka nyo mako ile like hada batu ka nyo mako bangol kono badi tol jam mantal mo man na mako ga mumbe Gambia jam mo mantal nyo mako ga Gambia no this is a problem so al nga try nga hopula al nga try nga try nga open nga we all be once you know nga mbeke kili wati no bari ani tuba mu jamna wala be keri jamboy Gambia no bi mbe tuba mu nyasa nga bula ka nyoma ko la because mu rekita the most Gambia no nyaji Gambia no ya akapete fi so man la wala na ko wala ikunga billahi fam be jakale so the problem is Gambia no mbe tuba to ya to nyam mbe tuba je ma fo belende bari Gambia di majority mbe to ko tuba je kel ma fo belende
Ama yalong Raoul tenga problem o je damin kodi. I think hana manke Dubai it's right time pour Gambia no ye funyo ka kodo sen moye. Na ne business o dunyo tema ye make so ye contract time. You know, because Gambia no ni kodo dunte na tema drong. Alka problem o sotole. So ye funyo ke la details so ki ke ye funyo ka kodo dugalante. Kodo mu fit setanol. Est-ce que be request ki kanenu nga imeta baturo la lefa.
Assalamu alaikum ngal be kondom.
Ngejo.
Ndabaran to mo kebeldi dama kebe mbota busumbal.
Okay.
Mbona mu Usman la victim o doldi since 2019-18 jana ka tama kada jana
Dubai.
Jana ka tama kada Dubai. Yeah, never another process or morning time process only.
Okay.
Yeah, another kodo mutambulu. Kodo siara ana date mem fanam fonye. for the fasita so femman for femmanke nada some
2018,
police
2019, yeah, well, what?
yeah 2018 2019
Well, almost 7 years ago.
7 years yeah nil system bi jalen tala picho dol fon sen way ama me bag
Okay.
yo na proceso nada da wala nyama nala samba police dada banyuni den dada brigama nada busumbala police station ol dal after ndara la banjanale frost squad banyun headquarters frost squad
Munto Frost Squad.
yeah frost squad banyun headquarters
Okay.
nana da la ba woldo after wol mamuda non to la fa de man kada lo ala bunda dala fo degiling na ram ma samba busumbala police after wol e headquarters frost squad school ko mali asamba after to la fa amuda nata da nyola foje
Okay.
so ngasamba je demen wosomo wosinino it was on Thursday la ngasamba je denim benda Thursday la aglo ba because wosomo wosinino nya de gala weekend all so wosomo ko abula bella after coming after taking all our statements wosomo was na dava mo le abula bella bari oslani muso membe biriga ma nga yalo ne because day mo mbade maga nga bajane dina bol nga bajane nga bulano ma fo bricks ala ni muso ya ni muso la fo ya bella na la koroge dole be mano kanja nga fo koto ma wala
Nyentende nga min poste.
le men poste
Ate todum.
no mani sister tolo wa ngalo na nga yalo ne abe biriga ma da nga jelo ne
Apata birikama le kodi.
be biriga ma da nga jelo ne SSP la o ma fon la ko ma fon la day mo ngada ga bla os no man ka gape fo woto da
Kon os jambar la.
so after case ni na daga wala nyama fraud squad
Kora
Abo
ba
wala ko. Akon tolo nga sila ala lamba to nga ple. Moment.
Benta.
Male be on. Ala la Michael Soronal na ta plesia. Mbata.
Ay kodo dinna min toto jamba kontika. Ay kodo dinna min toto jamba kontika nja. Jammo ay sala bungo konalti. Ko yama. Nte kata ay sala yantene ne manta gani yano ya tako kala dala sota. Ko kamele. Ali tilin tonyala. Nte mu musolta tel mu musolta nal yen tonye wallahi al bajelale.
Wallahi.
Tanta. Tonya sabati ni la platform to ye tonya ko. Atol be lolal ka gambiyano gani yano fata. Gani yano man tena tal nyin natalola. Fonteni Usman Besta Ghanian or accommodation. Falman ko Dubai accommodation or they become so allow killer accommodation or they become so allow ye dunji. One in a bukake.
Ni ma focal benta yala de.
Ni ma allow ka do so
ay abe location ole focal benta dame.
Nte bitani na accommodation or tanyadi ka kodo table. Sa nintena Usman
no ti ko pare numbers 2 abuke la moy. Mol ka mum fo fanke o fam ka mum fay no fam she was not listening. You know, ni ma focal na benta yala benta dame. Wo video fele. For video le ma
yalo ala buga ko ken sente ya ni meta
do musol katano je la be fanya fol alo mugul yaade
ayo mbadunga na call ko den sala bin zial fana na internet on na dal ko den kelo start
a call ko de
mbadunga dundi ko den ke
ndundi je
wa dama la duge
waya yoy
fo de mbe dundi la yam mbe fo de fango dundi la.
Okay, problem to.
My connection went off. My internet went out. The cover went out. Lamba malong off.
The lady is saying you don't give her because she's not even go to accommodation. But nobody told her you give her the money.
For the internet call kangata.
You know this lady, she's a big and his husband. You see, this picture I sent it to you is who? Is this lady? See, when I see this lady, I call her, let's go to police station we take this picture for fingerprints. If they said it's not your finger, we shall see.
She's not picking.
Yeah, do that. Do you have to take a step?
Yeah.
Amantara kata, mba call kan.
She don't want to pick the phone because she
Sala bint ite atraya join from your line ngaji be. Maybe mark number safe.
This lady and Osman, they are same blood.
She's denying that she did not come to your apartment. She's saying the picture was taken at Aisatu's place. Like she's trying to accuse Aisatu that Aisatu is the one who took this picture and want to implicate her.
It's not Aisatu.
Yeah, she was very defensive. Not internet wallet.
Amalon Kasim le nyin natalo senin tafana because ntamala nyin natalo so do
hani de ada pa nyanta kaka le yeta mutale ye sorongana ke mabe ku kilina aya longa ke mabe ku mun fo baraka na fango innocent dika fo ko kana ko do dinke mala ko tan ka dun ta jana fenke de jana
no mi man Kasim le nyin natalo senin ye fong. I was very surprised.
Afele fatu ito ko mon la location on laftale nga diamu this time nga nyom la moy for de hani mbedundi la line oto mlaftale nga nyomoy diamo nyinto because nintol be ko be wurin na nyokanjang nte nyomoy la no so nga ngela moy diamo baye ko be fenne fala ngeen na moy diamo tol man tara janka gania no fasa man tara janka mo fasa nga non tol lañu platform moto jang
na man tara gania no fata ka ila moy tentenena ata fana nyako ida jiba be pindin tenin
yo sañi ngana moy nyola ha bari yalong yo sañi ali ajela buka mola moy
Usmani jamale kije Allah alamun tamalo andu nyinna talo akami aisale yinna talo soto ndeni aisale
no I can't call na lienje live my god ndete telephone o tala no
ila moy bang ika Ganiano
ke mantara diamu kay idingo e jang kana fo modi moy bang diamu ni respect wala be alaw kan pour que diamu ni respect la
ya sala bin sabula rek ay diam bayala diam nyalo ni ta bulay diam moli la moy
te pati ni ma moskam na balwo ko ando hani nga momi ngan
bari Mariama Dubai e sakila la platform moto ni kema
Mariama Dubai na man saki
adele la kumo fola kali etiskam
ko ni kema muskamalati
ako jamani ke Mariama Dubai
banta Mariama
yo sanyi nganyina wala nga Gania no tafo iko inene man Gania no mit anene man ko di dilela so Gania no mbata ya fo blato ali ko do dilela dame ni kema Kasim, you can tell her where you met her and where you gave her the money. Alga na moy nyola, please. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, where you met her. Altomul be jangala la mic soro. Please.
My sister, I said this Fatmata, she's a big liar. She's a scammer.
Why?
Because this lady, she deny she don't know me. See, my sister, wallahi, I swear with Quran, I swear with Kaaba. See, this lady, she came to me and took this money.
Where was that? Where did you meet her? Where was the meeting point where you gave her the money?
Bania Square.
Huh?
Bania Square. Bania Square Metro exit 2.
Do you use another name? A name that she knows more than Kasim, or is there another name?
She know me. She is aware. My sister.
Bari Fatu Sanying yalon lafta ke nyini kamuna Fatu mbatu yale ite diamu tale kabri muntu mainata jebe diamu la mol buka diamu no ibul wala na yeah, I think Fatu is better when you speak in English so that Kasim also can understand. It's better you speak in
English because
let him understand. Can you speak English, please?
Even this Ghanaian give me money.
See, you remember that?
Yeah, Iba for English.
You came to me at Bania Square. Bania Square is it too?
Bania Square exit 2.
Fatima, me and Usman never go to take money for you. Why now?
Yes.
Why now? This picture you send for who give these people for picture?
I think Honeybee Aisa to Lesotho in her mind.
Where are you get this picture?
I took you this picture at Bania Square as it too. The day I give you this money,
No. Wallahi Azim. Not Fatima. Wallahi,
you are a big liar. Wait.
We sit half there, we can sit. We sit half there.
Wait.
Fatu barila moila demanding. Fatu ibela moila le demanding. Fatu ibela moila le demanding. Fatu ibela moila le demanding.
Hello.
You and me never sit. You and me never sit face to face.
No. Wait.
Hey.
We just come. We can go to police station. Wait. Don't speak like how the other quarter. You are a liar.
I will see that one. You and Usman doing this one. I'm not involved there. You and Usman there.
You know Apia.
You are meeting, but not.
Did you know Apia?
Wallahi Azim, I don't know you. You know that.
Okay, Fadu. Barila moile fana ye diamu.
Never do that.
Ni wuri ngo watat nandila moli ya long tonya bedame. Ba into lafta tonya le sabatindila. Ila moy.
Fanta woman ke problem oti nadia teria algania no fasa.
Aha, because iman fedne so ebe mune fola jang wala tinda nintol man taraka mo fasa. Ite why do you come to the conclusion ka fu mole ko algania no fasa ntol man taraka ganian fasa ja.
Karim, just give us a little bit time, please.
Tell her to come. We can go for fingerprints. If they said this picture is not his hand, now she can deny. You understand?
Aha, what am the things? Iko mufani aldi wako kele. So aliya jele alka fuko ngabla idea ubali ni muso buka mosa idea.
I
went to the kitchen and I seen
who is that? I said, "Wila Michael Sorong, please."
Unexpectedly because
Imalo nung ko yela natalo sa tole kayo ba ko do dilela.
Ayen natale unexpectedly.
Airport natalo mbatunga na wa itandila ba mbatunga na airport natalo itandi. Ani mbatunga na airport natalo itandala. Airport natala mundunje ali nyimfanga manje kilenti. Aisa tu fanga tole alko. Yeah, this lady is accusing Aisha for no reason. Oye, malo fa mo bedame muntu ole fa. Airport natalo lafta kana wala bondi. Ko nil fa wala evidence